Hi, I'm Max with QuickJack, and today I'm going to show you how much abuse QuickJack can handle. We've never done anything like this before, so you're in for a real treat. The first part of our testing is pretty basic. We're going to throw the frames around a little bit and just see how they do. Honestly, there didn't seem to be a point to opening up and inspecting the frames after the truck ran over them. There was just no way we did enough damage, and to be honest, it didn't look as cool as we thought it would. We know that QuickJack is almost indestructible, and even if it takes a few hits, it should remain 100% functional and safe to use indefinitely. We even used science to calculate exactly how much force and height and cosine equivalencies we would need to prove this point. We have the numbers here, here, and here. And it turns out we didn't really need them. Also, I'm really bad at math. So, we did this instead. Okay, so we're back. What we need to do is inspect these frames and see if they are fit to lift a car. These are the very frames we just dropped off a roof. Oh! If you can see, they're still kind of messed up. Ooh, it's pretty bad. So I gotta safely, it's kind of ironic that I'm trying to be careful after we just dropped these off of a roof, but hope you captured that. So this is frame 1. No idea what we're going to see here. Okay. Styrofoam's gone, but frame looks like it might be okay. I don't see any signs of damage. Doesn't look to be warped. Let's get it out of this box and we can get a better look. Set this down over here. Box 2. Styrofoam again destroyed, but the frame looks okay. Let's get it out. Looks okay. Doesn't seem to be any signs of damage or warping of the metal. Cylinder's intact. Air cylinder's fine. I think it's good for a test. It's a brand new day here at QuickJack, and we've relocated to a slightly nicer spot so we can do this little setup for you. First things first, we need to inspect these frames and really show you that not much damage was done. In fact, the only damage, if you want to call it that, is purely cosmetic. Right on the top of the frame, a little bit of scraping. Structurally, everything is sound. And lock bars, everything is fine. The welds have held together. They look great. So to test that statement, we need to first set these frames up, install them, and then we can lift the car. So let's get to work. So this is the moment of truth. Everything's set up. We're going to attempt to lift the car for the first time. Let's see how it goes. And there you have it. Everything looks fine. They're locked in place. Car is stable. As you've now seen, QuickJack can take a literal beating and keep on lifting. They took a few cosmetic scratches and that's about it. But if you have questions about QuickJack's durability or just QuickJack stuff in general, reach out and let us know. Until then, I'd like to strongly encourage you to leave a comment with your thoughts on this video, whatever they may be. Thanks for watching, and oh, leave the crazy testing stuff to us. Don't do this kind of thing at home. Thanks again.